Say hi. What are you eating?
Chinese, kako da kupi, ali?
I'm eating.
What are you eating?
Stuff.
So did your dad send you a package?
I think so.
Where is it?
With the almond jar.
Why is it with almond jaw?
Because he sent it to... Because he sent it to almond jar.
Ovo nešto ima A ili ne znam šta je.
Oh,
What is that?
it's mine.
Oh, what do you think it is?
Šta je ovo srce?
I think Nana needs to bring you scissors.
Oh, I got scissors.
Ej, možda ja. Šta ima unutra? Ha?
What is it?
Znači ne upali svjetlo. A, evo.
What's in there? A
It's
cat?
gonna be a tree house. Even
Čekaj,
better
Milena
than
to
a
si
cat.
uči.
It's even better than a cat?
Yeah. I see something in there.
You got it? Watch your fingers.
Ja vidim, ja ću na...
What is it?
Šta je to?
These are the new Moshi monsters that comes out next year.
Oh, and you got them before everyone else?
Mm-hmm. Well, anybody else in the U.S. Who's this special?
Isla, stand next to Nana so we can see how big you are. Hold on, stand next to Nana. Stand. Look! Big as Nana.
I actually got Ralphie. This is Ralphie.
A šta je sad baba kad kupio? Da vidi, Nena. To je...
All new Moshi monsters. Soda.
Oh, okay.
And a Ralphie.
A ovo je od njeni igračke, Erna. Šta joj je baba kupio? Šta joj je baba kupio?
Look.
Oh.
Više nek djedo.
What is this?
Ajla, više nek djedo kupio.
Is there anything else in there?
No treehouse. No treehouse.
What?
Ajoj je baba kupio.
Tell them thank you.